have today a Vauxhall Zafira 2008 year model, and it is in for Cambelt or timing belt replacement. So let's bring it in. So now we have removed the Cambelt cover, and view from the top or the side of the engine, you can see the camshaft wheel and the timing belt. So we've already marked it, but I would use the timing belt or the cam wheel alignment kit to do a perfect alignment for this later on. So it's all exposed, all removed, and then we'll go at the bottom pulley and I'll show you that part as well. So this is our bottom pulley, and you can see that we have the alignment mark, and we have removed the bottom plastic cover as well. So it's all marked, aligned, and we're on top dead center. So we can safely remove our cam belt and continue with our replacement as soon as we get the timing tool kit in place. So our timing tool is in place. We're ready to take out the timing belt. We also install new tensioner and a new idler pulley or idler bearing in there. So now we're ready to put our cam belt. So we have the new cam belt in, and we're gonna remove the locking tools. We'll tighten up those bolts both sides, and then we'll have to turn it to rotation and make sure they end up on the same place. And so we turn. So after 2 turns, we have them exactly on the same position. Those are the top cam gear, and this is the bottom one. They're almost aligned, so we're safe, we're ready to go. Put the cover and we'll try to start. And the next thing we replace is this service belt. Notice the routing, it's from the alternator, goes on top of the water pump, go down to the compressor, to the main crankshaft, and to our tensioner. So that's how you do your service belt. Now we have just completed replacing Cambelt kit for this Vauxhall Zafira. Cambelt cover is back in, air filter box is in place, and thank you guys for finding time watching this video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more DIY tutorial. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Again, this is your MasterTech from Green Arrow here in the UK, and hoping to see you next time for more video tutorial.